हो ही नहीं सकता। हुजूर, अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान हो ही नहीं सकता। अपनों को खुश रखना इससे आसान।
अपनों को खुशियां दिलाना आसान नहीं बनाते तो आगे कैसे बढ़ते। इसीलिए हम जो भी करते हैं उसे बेहतर बनाते आ रहे हैं।
Has increased by 0.58, 5 day 1.56, 1 month 5.77 decrease, 6 month 3.30 decrease, year to date minus 6.31 decrease, 1 year 1.19% gain, 5 year 98.71% gain, all time high 8,449.88% gain. Next report date July 24. Report period of first quarter 2024 EPS 64.62, revenue estimate 102.27 billion INR, market cap 4.23, dividend yield 0.53, package price to earning ratio 28.95, basic EPS 236.85, net income 144.51, revenue 549.83, shares followed 270.73 million, beta 0.76. Sector finance, industry finance, rental leasing, CEO Rajiv Chandra Jain, headquarter Pune, employee 53.8K, founded in 1987. Bajaj Finance operates as a non-banking financial company. It offers consumer finance, SME finance, commercial lending, and investment services. It operates through the India and outside India geographical segment. The company was founded in March 25, 1987, and headquarters is in Pune, India. We'll see its financial revenue. Financial. And we will see Sound Colonial here 347.26 million. Closely held free float share 270.73 million. Capital structure. Capital structure market cap 2.4.23 trillion, debt 2.33 trillion, cash and equivalent 106.24 billion, enterprise value 6.45 trillion. And we will see the price to earning ratio 28.93x and market cap. This one is a market cap 4.23 trillion INR. Revenue. This one is revenue 549.80 billion. Valuation ratio PE 24.88, PS 4.96, PE 70.54, PS 11.69. PE 62.69, PS 13.92, PE 29.62, PS 8.23, PE 30.68. Growth and profitability 2019 revenue was around 263.85 billion INR, net income 52.64 billion INR, net margin 19.95. 2020 revenue was around 266.78 billion INR, net income 44.20 billion INR, net margin 16.57. 2021 revenue 2021 revenue was around this 316.48 billion INR, net income 70.28 billion INR, net margin 22.21 percentage. And in 2022, revenue was around 414.09 billion INR, net income 115.08 billion INR, and 2023 revenue was around 249. And we'll see the revenue of 2000. This revenue 549.83 billion, COGS minus 213.40 billion, gross profit 336.43 billion INR, operating expenses minus 97.10 billion INR, operating income 239.33 billion, operating non-operating income expenses minus 46.31 billion, tax and others 48.15 billion, minus net income 144.51 billion INR. Revenue breakdown. Most of his revenue comes from financing service, and total revenue always comes from India. In estimate 2020 actual estimated revenue 172.69, estimate 173.51, surprise of 815.06. Actual earning 218.80.892, estimate 218.01, surprise 911.91 million INR, actual earning 288.46, estimate earning 283.90, surprise 4.56, 1.61 percentage, actual earning 362.58 billion INR, estimate earning 361.51 billion INR, and date actual date is 73.50, estimate date 57.05, surprise is minus 3.55, and actual 116.50, estimate 115.43, surprise 1.07, actual 190.36, estimate 186.46, surprise by 3.90 INR, and the actual revenue 234 billion, estimate 230.73 INR, dividend LTT and 0.44 percentage, next payment 36, 15%, the dividend is per share 10, a dividend yield 0.45, and this one is dividend per share 10, and dividend yield 0.19, dividend per share 20, dividend L 0.8, dividend per share 30, dividend L 0.53, dividend per share 36, 0.50, financial health debt 1.09 trillion, free cash flow 80.97 billion, cash equivalents 13.49 billion, debt 1.06 trillion INR, free cash flow 88.55 billion INR, cash and equivalent 18.51 billion INR, and debt 1.75 trillion INR, free cash flow 152.67 billion INR, cash and equivalent 34.09 billion INR, debt 1.73 trillion INR, free cash flow 148.66 billion INR, cash and equivalent 16.45 billion INR. On this one, debt 2.23 trillion INR, free cash flow 189.23 billion INR, cash and equivalent 106.24 billion INR. And statement, we'll see its statement from this annual statement. 2017 total revenue 126.88, gross profit 114.91, operating income 79.74, pre-tax income 38.43, net income 24.96, and this one total revenue 184.11 billion INR, gross profit 165.82, operating income 119.05, pre-tax income 61 61.79 billion INR, net income 39.95, total revenue 263.85 billion, gross profit 235.15, operating income 155.31, pre-tax income 73.22, net income 52.64, total revenue 266.78, gross profit 233.25 billion, operating income 138.76, pre-tax income 59.92, net income 44.20, total revenue 316.48 billion INR, gross profit 274.48 billion INR, operating income 174.59 billion INR, pre-tax income 95.04 billion INR, net income 70.28 billion INR, total revenue 414.09 billion INR, gross profit 363.67 billion INR, operating income 257.76 billion INR, pre-tax income 155.26 billion INR. In 2023, total revenue 459.83, gross profit 336.43, operating income 239.33, pre-tax income 193.02, uh, pre-tax income 02, and net income 144.51 billion. Good cost to of goods sold minus 11.97, minus 18.29, minus 28.69, 33.51, 42.00, 50.42, 213.40, 213.40, operating expenses. Operating expenses 20 minus 25.11, 31.85, 40.69, 35.09, 51.86, 74.50, 57.10. Non-operating income minus 41.31, 57.25, 82.09, 78.84, 79.56, 102.50, minus 46.31, 46.31. Tax minus 13.47 billion, 21.84 billion, 20.58, 15.72, 24.76, 40.20, 48.58, 48.58. Net income before discounted operation 24.96, 39.95, 52.64, 44.20, 70.28, 115, 144, 144. Net income 24.96, 39.95, 52.64, 44.20, 70.28, 115.08, 144.51, 144.51. And this will be basic earning per share EPS 44.38, 69.33, 89.77, 73.58, 116.64, 190.53, 236.89, 236.83. Diluted earning per share 43.92, 68.75, 49.07, 73.00, 115.79, 189.57, 235.98, 235.95. Basic share outstanding 562.55, 576.90, 586.35, 600, 602, 603 million. Diluted earning per share of 568.37, 581.05, 590, 605. VBITTS 90.82, 135.41, 197.41, 201.44, 226.47, 294.02, 246.16, 246.16. EBIT margin 89.80, 133.97, 194.46, 198.19, 222.62, 289.17, 239.33, 239.33. Total operating expenses 47.14, 65.06, 100.53. And we will see its balance sheet. Total assets 848.14, 1.24, 1.64, 1.72, 2.13, 2.75, 2.76. Total liability 689.66, 105 trillion, 132 trillion, 135 trillion, 169 trillion, 2.11 trillion, 2.99 trillion. Total equity 158.48, 199, 196.97, 323.28, 639.18, 437.13, 543.72, 766.95. Total liabilities and shareholder equity 848.14, 1.24, 1.64, 1.72, 2.13, 2.75, 3.76. Total debt 287.64, 883.95, 109, 106, 1.35, 1.73, 2.33. Net debt to 584.25, 880.46, 597.25, 1.04, 2.13, 1.68, 2.23. Book value per share 275.55, 341.44, 538.84, 613.71, 724.58, 899.57. Statistics this all total earning per share 40.29, 43.99, for 24.88, 15.22, price to cash flow earning ratio 70.54, price to cash flow ratio 34.67, price to earning ratio 62.69, price to cash flow ratio 32.30, price to earning ratio 29.62, price to cash flow ratio 22.21, price to earning ratio 30.68. Number of employees in increasing order. You can see here over this time frame, number of shareholder 944.37K. Total common share outstanding 617.99 million. Float share outstanding 270.73. Price to earning ratio 40.21, 43.99, 24.88, 70.54, 62.69, 29.62, 30.68, 28.93. Price to sales ratio 7.97, 9.55, 4.96, 11.69, 13.92, 8.23. Price to cash flow ratio 15.22, 34.67, 32.30, 22.21. Price to book ratio 6.42, 8.86, 4.11, 8.39, 10.02, 6.24. Enterprise value 1.59, 2.64, 2.24, 4.16, 5.72, 5.09, 6.45. Enterprise values 17.51, 19.48, 11.33, 20.64, 25.25, 17.32, 26.21. Return on this is 3.28, 3.70, 3.65, 3.23, 3.66, 4.72, 4.44, 4.44. Return on equity 19.62, 22.05, 20.24, 12.77, 17.43, 23.46. 22.05, 22.05, return on invested capital 5.05, 1.44, 5.50, 3.94, 5.81, 7.77, 3.64, 3.64, gross margin 90.57, 90.07, 89.13, 87.44, 86.73, 87.82, 61.19, 60.29, gross operating margin 62.85, 64.66, 58.86, 52. 0.8, 55.17, 62.25, 43.53, 42.24, net margin 19.67, 21.70, 19.95, 16.57, 22.21, 27.79, 26.28, 25.61. On dividend history, we will see is dividend yield of 2017 dividend per share 4.00, dividend yield 0.23, 2018 dividend per share 6.00, dividend yield 0.20, dividend per share 10, dividend yield 0.45, dividend per share 10, dividend yield 0.19, dividend per share 20, dividend yield 0.28, dividend per share 30, dividend yield 0.53, dividend per share 36, dividend yield 0.50, payout ratio 9.01, 8.65, 11.14, 13.59, 17.15, 15.75, 15.20. And we will see say earning report. Earning report will be 2016 reported 33.64, estimate 33.85, reported 45.80, estimate 45.82, reported 69.26, estimate 66.69, reported 87.70, estimate 97.02, 2020 reported 73.50, estimate 77.05, 2021 reported 116.50, estimate 115.43, 2022 reported 190.36, estimate 186.46, 2023 reported 234.00, estimate 230.73, and its quarterly annual report, and we will see its revenue. Revenue reported 262.58, estimate 261.51, reported 288.46, estimate 283.90, reported 218.92, estimate 218.01, 2020 reported 172.69, estimate 173.51, 2019 reported 169.12, estimate 163.92, 2018 reported 118.78, estimate 117.10, 2017 reported 86.11, estimate 86.44, 2016 uh, reported 62, estimate 60.21, and we will see its revenue breakdown. Main source of revenue during year 2023 comes from financing. All of its revenue comes from finance sector, 549.83, financing 414.06, financing 316.40, financing 266.83, financing 263.86, financing 185.02, financing 134.66. By country, revenue comes from India 549.83 billion, India 414.06 billion, India 316.40 billion, India 266.83 billion, India 263.86 billion, India 185.202 billion INR, India 134.66 billion INR, and we will see its technical of 1 month time frame. 1 month time frame, stochastic relative Eastern index 51.37, stochastic 55.28, commodity channel index 9.21, average directional index 16.02, awesome votes oscillator 41.05, momentum 450.60, MACD level 229.80, stochastic RSI fast 38.15, Williams spots in range 52.44, Bull bear pass 60.80, ultimate oscillator 42.97, exponential moving average 6977.57, simple moving average 7129.77, exponential moving average 6868.25, simple moving average 6853, exponential moving average 6633, simple moving average 6844, exponential moving average 6014, simple moving average 6079, exponential moving average 4543, simple moving average 4105.84, Bichimochi baseline 6712, volume weighted ratio 618.13, all moving average 6823.59 by signal, and pivot point analysis, third support 1591.27, second support 4294.02, first support 5803.53, pivot 69996.77, resistance first for 506.28, resistance second 9699.52, resistance third 12402.27, Fibonacci 4294.02, 5326.47, 5964.32, 6996.77, 8029.22, 86617.07, 96699.52, Carmelia 569.79, 6817.55, 7065.30, 69996.77, 7560.80, 7056.58, and Woody 3273.67, 4380.46, 4976.42, 8679.17, 1138.1.92, 6400.15, 7295.00, 9102.90, and we will see its forecast. Forecast value and forecast value will be around this time frame maximum. It will gain peak height of 46.04 percentage with price of 10,000. Average will be 22.38 percentage with price of 8,600 380.25. Current 6,847.55. Minimum value minus 10.67 6,170.00. We will see its chart and super chart. Here you can see the chart of Bajaj Finance Service. You can see the a lot of stock were accumulated in during this phase and this phase and this phase. Here are see three segments are divided for the accumulation of this stock. And again, it started a little bit accumulation over this phase, but not so more accumulation. But this phase shows the highest accumulation of stock were started accumulation were started in this frame. In this frame, so always try to catch up the volume price rather than any technical signal, rather than RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band. Always try to catch up volume. Volume shows the best volume is the best volume indicate technical indicator for overall profit during the trading. And we will draw the some resistance also. I have drawn some support, base level support of this and resistance support, and we will try to draw the some elite wave and three diverse pattern. This is just how anybody can be technical analyze the list when they know to on how to draw this type of line. Anybody, and we will draw the three diverse pattern. I think this chart will be look like this. I have tried to draw it. Well, nice day and thanks for your precious time. Soon we'll be meet on next video. Okay. Until then, goodbye.